Okay, hello. It is November 10th, and the today's Leetcode is restore the array from adjacent pairs. Um, I had to copy for this one. I'll be honest. I think it's pretty difficult, um, but here it is. So you're given an array of pairs, and these pairs should form an actual array. So like 2 and 1 should be adjacent. You see, it's adjacent. 2 and 3 should also be adjacent. Seen here. 3 and 4 should be adjacent, like here. And that's how we want to return this reconstructed array from these pairs. So to do this, we need to create a map of an integer. This is the value from the array, and a list or an array of the surrounding values. And we create that as a hash map. We iterate. This is to add values from the left side of the array, these two. We add the right side of the array here. And note that if it does exist, we want to, if it already exists, we want to update the right variable, the surrounding variable. And if it doesn't, we want to set it as an edge, because notice how the edges here only have one occurrence. 1 and 4 only appear once, and they're at the edge. That means they only have one adjacent. So 1 is adjacent to 2 and 3 is adjacent to 4. That's why they only have one. And we set this custom variable, a negative 1 million, to indicate that it's an edge. So we do that for both sides. And now we want to find our starting point. So we create the result, we set the start. This is what we're looking for. And so we go through this, we go through the entry set. If the right value is negative 1 million, we know that that's an edge, and we set the starting value to the key, which is the value from the array. And we add the start value to the result array. This is what we'll be returning at the very end. And we set the previous value, so the one before the start is negative 1 million. We kind of don't care about that right now. So, and then we go through the result array. We get the pair set as val, and we check the new val, because one of these values we've already seen it, and it's going to be to the left of us, and we kind of don't want that. So if it is equal to, we just want the one that's not equal to left. So we either take the left one or the right one. And lastly, we shift the window. First, we add the result. We add the desired value to the result, and then we shift the window a little bit forward so we could finish building the rest of the array. I think this was a hard problem, and my initial approach to it was to use integer and just do counts like this, instead of doing like arrays to show the pairs, which I should have done. But nonetheless, the problem is done. Thank you for watching today. The streak continues, and hopefully soon I could do problems in one take. I'll see you next time. Bye.